Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I want to showcase this beautiful framework, this beautiful tool that we're gonna use to build cross-platform Golang applications which use a front-end framework of your choice as the UI. So it's a really nice tool as an alternative for Electron or Tauri. Maybe if you want the Tauri advantages of smaller bundle size and everything, but you don't want to explore Rust and you already know Golang, this is a pretty nice alternative. The project is really complete and it's really easy to set up. It has also a GitHub repository which has 25,000 stars right now, and so you can see it's a complete project. Like, it's nothing new, it's nothing unstable, and it's already at its V2. As you can see, it allows you to build for each and every OS. And let's start by creating a project. I'm gonna use a React template. It uses Vite under the hood, so it's nothing weird as a project. And you're gonna see, like, if you check the documentations, it's really easy to choose anything. There's also community templates that you can use, but I'm pretty okay with the React one. Okay, I'm gonna keep the name to my project. I'm gonna cd into it, so my project, and open up VS Code. So here's our application. As you can see, it contains Go files in the root. There's a configuration file which is called wails.json. Then there's our front-end folder which contains React, and a wails.js folder which is generated by wails. Every time you run the wails dev command is gonna generate this folder which contains our bindings. As you can see, there's a greet function inside app, and it accepts one argument. We also have the TypeScript version of this. And if we go to app.golang, we see that here's the greet function. It accepts a name which is of type string as declared in the TypeScript that was generated by wails. So let's just start the project so I can show it to you. Here's the project provided by wails once you start the application. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's just an input with a button. So this input, this button is gonna call this greet function, which is gonna template this string by adding name to it. So if I add hello, as you can see, it's just gonna print this out. So I'm gonna create another function just to show you how easy this is. So this is a function which extends the app interface, or app struct, sorry, and I'm gonna call it change window title and accept the title of type string. So now we're gonna call the runtime package, which is this one, and window set title. It accepts our context and our string. Once I save, you're gonna see the wails is gonna recompile and it's gonna generate our new bindings. Everything fully type safe, by the way. And we can call this function from our TypeScript. So instead of calling the greet function that was there before, I'm gonna call our change window title function from the wails package, and it accepts our string, which is gonna be name. Let me try it out. Test, press greet, and as you can see, our desktop app title changed. So it's pretty nice. As you can see, there's like no delay from once you save, because if you change the Golang code, it has to rebuild, but it's much faster than Tauri. And once that's done, like, everything that happens in the JavaScript side is already available because it's using Vite. So it's almost like programming for web. There's also a link that it provides to you. So if I run wails dev again, It's gonna give us a link that we can use to start our application from the web. Here it is. No, okay. As you can see, it's the same app. Of course, the bindings are not gonna work because this is not a desktop application, but this one is still working. So it's pretty nice. You can check out this project. I think it's really nice if you don't want to dive into Tauri, if you don't want to just learn Rust and you already know Golang that well. This is a pretty nice alternative. Like, there's nothing missing. You can check the documentation. It's really written well. There's a reference which is gonna list all the available bindings that you can call. Some of them are also available on the JavaScript side, so you don't need to create functions that you can call from JavaScript. They are already available. Let me know if you found this video useful. Maybe you wanna see a project like made with wails. I mean, I once tried to copy an entire front end I already had finished, and it just works. It's amazing. Like, you have to have it inside the front end folder and have the same um, commands available as listed in the configuration, which you can change, you can extend, you can download other schemas. So it's really nice. I really hope you found this video useful. If there's any question, you can ask it down below in the comments. I'll be glad to answer it, and just let me know what you think of it.